Welcome to the course Foundation Design. Basically this course is a undergraduate course, and this course prepare the student to able make effective learning, particularly your institute test, soft soil explorations and foundation designs. So in this course, basically it's a 30-hour lecture course. In this course preliminarily I am going to cover soft soil explorations, that means site investigations, different methods of drilling, sampling, in situ test, that means standard penetration test, cone penetration test, plate load test, dynamic test and other basic test in geotechnical engineering laboratory. Then once this basic part is over, these are all tests. Once it is over this course, then about this basic there are 6 lectures about general bearing capacity of these foundations and what are the different types of failure modes and any correlations or corrections and compressibility, and based on your in situ test what is the compressibility values. This covers about your 6 lectures. Then their basics I will cover settlement of foundations, means immediate as well as consolidations as well as secondary settlements, and stresses in soil. Stresses in soil because of your external loading, that means suppose there is a foundations, that means once load is coming by means of column loads, what is your increase in stress below the ground surface. These we have to discuss this about your 4 lectures. Then afterwards different design of the foundations in depth we are going to discuss, that means what are the type of the foundations, that means if I classify type of the foundations are shallow and deep, then in the shallow foundations it is coming isolated, combined footing, mat foundations, raft foundations, that we will cover in details. And in deep foundations particularly there are 2, one is your pile foundations as well as well foundations. This covers basic designs, how you are going to design. Then last part of this course will be for particularly waterfront structures, that means earth retaining structures, and other part we are going to cover earth pressure theories, Coulomb's and Rankine's approach, and smooth and rough walls and your inclined backfills. At the end I am going to cover a brief discussion of its field applications and different case studies about your design of the foundations, where is a problem, and based on your Bureau of Indian standards. This all total covers 30 lectures. So basically within these 30 lectures we are going to give time to time multiple choice type of questions, so that you have to solve it, and at the end there will be some descriptive questions. I will solve it in this course. And books generally in this course, the referred books are Geotechnical Engineering by B.M. Das, Soil Mechanics by Craig, CRAIG, Foundation and Design and Analysis by Bowles. These are the 3 books it is referred. You can go through this in the meantime. So I am going to start my lecture of particularly first part, that is your soft soil explorations. So all the students are most welcome to this course, particularly my course. So it will be effective, particularly design of your foundations, and also some parts I am going to cover little bit about your structural designs also. Thank you.